Höganäs has a long history of producing powders with high quality consistency independent of the markets we serve. In addition to being the largest powder producer in the world, we also boast the broadest range of production technologies in the market. Based on a number of factors, we can select the appropriate production technique to create the right solutions for our customers in each case. At Höganäs, we have a clear focus on developing deeply rooted long-term relationships with our customers by understanding what they need and what they value, and packaging our products and services into solutions that address those needs and deliver high value on a consistent basis. Höganäs continues to invest in expanded capacities and additional atomization technologies to support the evolving needs of our customer base. And this is especially driven by dynamic markets such as additive manufacturing. To give a few examples, we're in the process of expanding our Vega capacity and our Laufenburg, Germany facility by adding a state-of-the-art new atomizer, which will be commissioned in the next year. We are breaking ground on a greenfield plant in Asia, which will host a number of atomization technologies supporting additive manufacturing, surface coating, and a number of other business units in the region. And we're currently constructing a new plant in our Johnstown, Pennsylvania facility, which will house a proprietary atomization technique specifically developed to produce very fine powders for metal injection mold, bound powder additive manufacturing, surface coating, and other applications. A summary of our production technology portfolio is shown here in this schematic. In general terms, the production technology utilized depends on the performance requirements of the application as well as the level of customization required. It is well known that to date, the additive manufacturing market has largely been driven by high-value markets such as aerospace, medical, and industrial gas turbine. For these applications, typically a Vega or a plasma-based atomization technology are utilized owing to the highly spherical nature of the powders produced, as well as tight control over minor and trace elements. For these types of applications, we are prepared to customize, whether it be alloy development or optimization through the Höganäs Alloy Labs, material solutions, packaging, recycling concepts, or even the full print solution via collaboration with Amexi. Adding Amexi's AM design, print, and post-processing capabilities truly strengthens the Höganäs AM offering. For the automotive and general industrial markets, the approach must be different. These applications don't typically have the same performance requirements, so why should they use the same material feedstocks and pay the same prices? These industries are much more cost-driven, which creates an inherent need for higher productivity in the print, but also materials from processes with lower cost structures, such as air melting gas atomization and water atomization. In these cases, Höganäs must be much more selective and create material standards with limited customization, but a broad base of applications in each case. This drives up scale and cost out. We've already taken the first steps in this direction with the release of our AI-SI 4130 steel this fall, which is the first of several steels we plan to launch targeting the automotive and general industrial markets.